Good morning, children. Yesterday I had sent active and passive voice sentences. Okay, so today I will explain you the answers of it. Okay, we all know that in active voice and passive voice we don't have to change the tense. Tense will remain the same. Okay, so first one, question one, ka first. What was the sentence? Mr. Ganguly has bought a solar cooker. Okay, so what is the object? Object is a solar cooker. And what is the subject? Subject is Mr. Ganguly. And what is the tense? Tense is present tense. It is has bought, means it is present perfect tense. All right. So what will be the answer of it? The object will become the subject and the subject will become the object. The answer will be a solar cooker has been bought by Mr. Ganguly. Alright. So here two verbs are there. Has bought. So has bought will split into three. That is has been bought. Alright. Has will remain has because the subject is singular. Okay. If the subject would have been plural, has would have turned to have. All right. So what will be the answer? The answer will be a solar cooker has been bought by Mr. Ganguly. Okay. Second, Pinky is teasing. Second is Sarah draws a picture. So what will be the answer? A picture is drawn by Sarah. Okay, Sarah draws means it is simple present tense. Okay, so simple present tense may is, are or am will come. So over here it is a picture. A picture means it is singular, so is will come. All right, and verb will always be in past participle. Okay, so draw ka it will become drawn. A picture is drawn by Sarah. All right. Third is Pinky is teasing Ray. All right. So what will be the answer? It is simple present continuous tense it is. So whenever there is present continuous or whatever continuous tense may being will come. All right. So what will be the answer? Ray is being teased by Pinky. All right. Fourth, Ray is chasing the dog. So answer will be the dog is being chased by Ray. Okay. Fifth sentence. Okay. What is the fifth sentence? We ate dinner. So it is simple past tense. Okay. So what will be the answer? Dinner was eaten by us. Okay. Was will come. So the sentence will remain in past tense. Then the sixth one, he sang a song. Again, it is in simple past tense. So what will be the answer? A song was sung by him. Sung is the past participle of sing. All right, sing, sang, and sung. Sing is the base word. Sang is past tense and sung is past participle. Okay, then seventh one, they learned the language. Again, this is in simple past tense. So what will be the answer? The language was learned by them. Okay, then eighth one, John gave Helen a book. All right, so over here two objects are there, Helen and a book, but the main object is a book. All right, so we will start the sentence with a book. A book was given to Helen by John. All right. Then ninth one, Hershey's bag was stolen yesterday. This sentence is already in passive voice. Okay. So no change will be there. 10th one, the old kings had built the fort. Okay, the answer, the fort had been built because it is in past perfect tense. So in perfect tense, been will come. So had been built by the old kings. All right. Then the next exercise, we have to change from passive to active voice. So we have to go the opposite way. Passive may it is given and we have to change into active voice. All right. The first one, the game was watched by them. Was watched means it is in past tense. All right. So them ka it will become they. So they watched the game. Second, chess was being played by the children. Now over here, being is coming means it is in continuous tense. So played ka it will become playing, and was it is there means we know that it is in past tense. Okay. So what will be the sentence? The children were playing chess. Now why were is coming? Because children is plural. So was ka it is becoming were. The children were playing chess. Third one, the play will be directed by Meena. So what will be the sentence? Meena will direct the play. Will ka it will remain will only. Then fourth one, John was given a watch by Mary. So Mary gave a watch to John. Okay, it can be this also, or Mary gave John a watch. Okay, both the sentences are correct. Mary gave a watch to John, or Mary gave John a watch. Okay, then the fifth one, the books were read by me. It is coming were. Okay, were means we know it is in past tense. All right. So read is pronounced as read. The books were read by me. So me ka it will become I. I read the books. Okay. Read ka it is read, read, read. Khali pronunciation we have to change. Otherwise the spelling will remain the same. Okay, then sixth one, the whale is being looked at by Sarah. Okay, is coming means it is present continuous tense. So Sarah is looking at the whale. Seventh one, penicillin had been invented by Alexander Fleming. So what will be the sentence? Alexander Fleming had invented penicillin. All right. Had been will come into had. All right. Then the eighth one. The spare bedroom is used by the guest. The guests use the spare bedroom. All right. Because it is in simple tense. Simple present tense it is there. Simple tense it is there. Present tense. So it will be in present tense only. The guests use. Guest is plural. So use will be in singular form. Okay. Then the next sentence, green tea has been prepared by Satish. So Satish has prepared green tea. All right. Then the next is the team will have been selected by the coach by tonight. So what will be the answer? The coach will have selected the team by tonight. Okay. I hope that you all have understood this. In the next video, I will give the sentences on direct and indirect speech. All right.